First strand in a quarter three, flying indeed. Incognito tip, mellow as I proceed without haste. The steps of my feet are grounded deep in the promises God given, in which I keep close to heart. Rep the sun and art in each breath I breathe. So like an eagle high without concept of speed. Feeling the breeze, evoking a contemplative state. You can't make an object out without defining its shape. So I wait as the altitude climbs, knowing it'll take time to reach the moon and stars, making orbits around Mars. Asking myself, am I flying right now? Worse is being high with the ability to crash down. I'm shackled with freedom tied and vibe with my team, making marks to touch lives and fulfill dreams, to give people substance, making it legit. If you've been searching for a while, baby, this is it. So
all in together now, come on, let's do it from the front to the back, side to side, front to the back, side to side. No matter what happens, we gon' still be fly, still be fly, still be fly. No matter what happens, we gon' still be fly, still be fly, still be fly. No matter what happens, we gon' still be fly.
FLY, let me tell my story of how I first touched the sky. It all started on vacation, took a plane ride from Portland to LA. Looking out the window, it still seems so far away. I was trapped in my seat, watching the sunrise. Back then, it was too bright for my eyes. I couldn't contain the light, it passed right through me. True freedom, I didn't recognize the beauty, cause everything that I knew was the typical quick fixes. The same things we all chase. Either I wasn't good enough or I wasn't satisfied. No matter how hard I tried, I still didn't feel fly. It was slipping through my fingers and passing me by. Missed opportunities, I just wanted to be the man, but I wasn't a man yet, still had a lot to learn. Now I'm reaching for the heavens and staying down to earth.
All in together now, come on, let's do it from the front to the back, side to side, front to the back, side to side. No matter what happens, we gon' still be fly, still be fly, still be fly. No matter what happens, we gon' still be fly, still be fly, still be fly. No matter what happens, we gon' still be fly.
Over the hills and through the city streets I blow, cool breezing, picking up the pieces slow, gusto and bustin', and what's the reason? Yo, to stir it up, you gotta have that unique flow. Fly like that, jet stream on the low, keep it down to earth, hence the logo. Full circle is the O, rooted with a wingspan to reach a troubled soul, cause only Christ can make them whole. Moonwalk professional, show them how to glide on a higher level, lifelong stroll. Doesn't really matter where you start, when you go, keep going. The main ingredient to keep growing. Yeah, boy, up and at 'em with a passion to capture 'em, attracting the masses like it's free cash that I'm handing them. Rocking the live to make them shake and shout as we keep the party moving like the brakes